Okay, what do we have here? I have a solar charge controller and it's charging my lithium ion battery pack at about 1 to 2 amps. So each one of the battery packs here has a BMS and a fuse, and then you can see here, so they can work separately. I can take them out, unplug it, and take one or two out, or I can combine them all together to be a bigger pack. So I think this, in a way, works better than a big power wall, and hopefully it will be safer as well. If one big power wall catches fire, it will be a big bang. So this would be a smaller bang if something happens. Anyway, and this is the first battery pack, and inside are this kind of battery, 18650, and then this is the second pack, about 8 amps, and this pack is 10 amps. And inside this box here, all this kind of batteries. This is like 5 amps each. So the solar charge controller is charging all of these, and the average voltage is 12.44 amp. And I have about 200 watts of solar panels outside on the other side of the garage. So I used to have a sealed lead acid battery that went bad. So I experimented with initially one pack of lithium ion battery. I started using it in the winter to see if it works well in the unheated garage. And then a couple of weeks ago I added another pack, and then another one, and finally today I added this 20 amp pack. So I know the packs are not exactly the same, although the voltage is very similar. So right now it seems to be working okay, no smoke, nothing blowing up. And this is the inverter, DC to AC inverter that I'm using. It's 400 watts. Right now it's on, and what can it run? So I have a power drill here that's plugged in here, and I have another piece of equipment here. This is a cut-off saw. So would it work? Yeah. So the pack will power the drill. This is like a Sears drill, and this is the cut-off saw. You can see when you first start the cut-off saw, it'll go down to about 11 volt or so. So the 50 amps of lithium ion battery will run small power tools like this. It won't run a circular saw because circular saw is like 12 amps, so this is not going to work. But for a small job, small tools, lighting, it will work. So that's would be my replacement for the sealed lead acid battery. So I'm still kind of experimenting to see if it all works well. And basically the solar charger, 30 amp, would come in and I have some combiner, this distributor here to route the DC, and this is like a ground bar cut in half, so it's negative on one side and positive on the other, and then it goes to the inverter here, the DC to AC. And then this is just the regular non-pure sine wave inverter, which is okay for power equipment and lighting. For electronics, I wouldn't use this, but it does work, as you can see. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. And the good thing is, with this is, you might think it's a small pack of batteries, but we have bright sunshine outside. So as soon as you deplete this, the sun will charge up the batteries very quickly, because I have like 15 amps of solar panels outside. So in a matter of hours, this will be all charged up. Right now it's at 4.1 volt. So I have it as set to 12.5 as the limit. So that should be okay. So let's see here. 12.4 volts. And let's see how many amps is charging. Yeah, right now it just stopped charging. Right now it just stopped charging because the pack is full. So you would see 0 amp coming in. Yeah, 0. All right, so that's it. That's the small 50 amp solar power system. Thanks for watching.